Hello guys, and in today's video, let me just fix my webcam. Nothing's happened, nothing's happened, nothing's happened, nothing's happened. Okay, nice, nothing happened. Sorry guys. So, in today's video, I'm about to show you guys how to make translator just like this one instead of Scratch. What do you want to translate? Please subscribe. Which language? I'm going to show you guys Chinese one first. Chinese. I don't know Chinese, if you guys are wondering. I'm going to choose simplified. Simplified. See, it said it. Why is this? Oh, yeah, I say the other thing. Yeah, boys. So, yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make this in today's video. First things first, press create. I'm going to check inside of the little sprite library if they have something good in here. Else I'll just use the scratch cat. Globe. Earth. We have got an earth right here. So we can just go ahead and paint a little cool thing. I'm gonna choose the color to be black. No. Okay, nice. Now go to 0. Just so you guys know, this is only going to be a little script of code. So when green flag clicks, as you guys know, we're going to use the ask what. Do you really need to use wait? Do you want to translate? Sorry guys, I have to see my keyboard if I'm ever going to type something correctly. And take out a if else. I almost forgot. Rename this to be wordishingly. Oh, wordishingly. I don't even think that anyone knows what wordishingly means. Answer. Set wordishingly to answer after that. So the ask. It's supposed to ask which language. So just make it ask which language. Tell me if that's wrong spelling. Because as you guys can clearly see, Scratch is not saying anything. Which language? Nice. Not language. It's supposed to be language. Language. Nice. So, if... What the heck? Isn't it supposed to be that? If answer equals... Wait, just go ahead and duplicate. There should be 2 of these. And take out a ask. Ask. Not a what's your name. Just so you guys know, you'll have to use a OR block. Answer equals simply. No. Chinese. I don't even think about Cyprus. Answer in Chinese. Or duplicate this, but change this to be a big C. Nice. Duplicate this. Don't forget to add simplified or traditional. No. Equals. If answer equals simplified, duplicate. Put this exact one here. Delete this dumb little space because there's no need of it. My leg is hurting if you guys are wondering. Nice. Now duplicate this. Change this to be traditional. And change this to be traditional. So, inside of here, add a new extension called this it's going to be called Translate. So then, take out a say block. Say, not hello, it should say wordishingly, such a word, to Chinese simplify. It's that easy. And then change this to be Chinese traditional and duplicate this. Or else just change it to be answer. Nice. So I'm going to choose this on 2 languages that I actually know. First one is going to be Swedish. So I'm just going to write down. Cool. Which language? Swedish. That's a language I know, and I also live in Sweden. It's really good here. Take the area. If you live in UK, so boy. Heftigt. That's correct, actually. So I don't really know about I don't know about Chinese, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try for both of them. They should have a different answer. Subscribe. Please and subscribe. Just subscribe. Which language? Chinese. Even though I'm not Chinese. Simplified. See, it said it. So what if we write down subscribe? Nice. And then write down Chinese. And then add in traditional. This is gonna equal something else. See? Nice. I don't know if that actually works. But I'm just trying to clean up because it's not going to be allowed because it's only like one script. But still, so if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.